Welcome back to the Tailgate Tours. Jeff Pangle, Technical Seed Agronomist for Winfield United, Delta Region. And one of the things that we've been talking about in the last couple of videos was how are we going to manage our mid-season nitrogen when it comes to mid-season, like VT corn, pre-tassel corn. So are we going to put a nitrogen shot on there? And if so, how much? And then we talked about in previous videos how to determine yield potential. And so now I'm going to cover the next most important question is, when is my corn going to tassel? And so if we're talking about pre-tassel in or an in shot, one of the things we've got to take into consideration is, can I schedule my plane to be on time for pre-tassel nitrogen? And if so, when should that be? Maybe I need to go a little bit early because it's going to rain, or maybe it's a situation where I've got a management practice that I need to take care of and I need to go ahead and be planning for VT pre-tassel nitrogen application. So what I've done today is basically kind of stretch the envelope just a little bit. Usually I would do this with bigger corn, but I tried this and it worked out pretty cool, so I thought I'd share it with you today. We're in a field of V7, V8 corn today. And so what I wanted to do was dissect this plant by pulling the whorl out of the plant and then beginning to look backwards at the leaves. And I want to show you what I'm talking about. All right, here is a full plant that I pulled from the field. This is V7, V8 size corn. And what I did was this particular portion in the top, we call that the whorl. I pulled that and began to pull leaves off one at a time. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically 6 leaves until we get to that very small tassel right there that's almost too small to see at this point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves prior to getting to the tassel. So what we know is on rapidly growing corn, we're adding a leaf every 3 days. So it's hot today, it's 90 degrees, probably 85% humidity. Corn's growing very fast at this stage. And so with 6 leaves to the tassel on our dissected corn plant, we can say 6 times 3 is 18. So we're a little far out, but it's 18 days to tassel. So it'd be really interesting to see how this works as we come back and check this corn again. Today is May the 23rd. So we're talking about sometime mid-June seeing this corn tassel. And based on the date of planting, that's about what we would assume. So once again, just a quick review. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves down to the tassel, a leaf every 3 days, about 18 days to tassel. And you can see what size corn plant we're dealing with right here today. So thank you for watching our tailgate tours. This is a next 10 days version, trying to stay ahead of this corn, what production practices you might be experiencing. Jeff Pangle, Technical Seed Agronomist, Winfield United, Delta Region. Thank you for watching.